Welcome, children. How are you, children?
We are fine, ma'am. Thank you. What a beautiful scene, ma'am.
Yes, very beautiful. So, come on, children. Today we are going to have an activity in the open air. So, are you ready? तो बच्चों, हम इस खुली हवा में खुले मैदान में एक सरगर्मी करने वाले हैं. क्या आप तैयार हो?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, thank you. So, listen, Zoya and Pinky, you have to give your thoughts about the scene. जोया और पिंकी, इस खूबसूरत मंजर के बारे में आपको अपने ख्यालात बयान करने हैं.
Okay, ma'am. First I say. हाँ, ma'am. पहले मैं कहूँ.
Yes, why not?
Ma'am, I will say in English and Zoya will translate in Urdu.
Okay, very good.
So let's get started. We are standing on the beach. Blue and white sky is visible. Different kinds of trees are visible. Birds are flying in the sky.
Good.
I will translate in Urdu. I will translate in Urdu. हम समंदर के बीच पर खड़े हैं. नीला सफेद आसमान नजर आ रहा है. मुख्तलिफ किस्म के दरख्त नजर आ रहे हैं. परिंदे आसमान में उड़ रहे हैं.
Good.
The blue water of the sea looks great. समंदर का नीला पानी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Very good.
This pure and clean air is very important for our health. Tree air is very beneficial for us. Trees provide us with oxygen.
Good.
ये खालिस और साफ और शफाफ हवा हमारी सेहत के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Trees are very important. Trees provide us with oxygen, which is essential for our health. दरख्त बहुत जरूरी है. दरख्तों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है जो हमारी सेहत के लिए जरूरी है.
Very good. Zoya and Pinky, very good. Well done. You have made a very good observation. Okay, now we have to go. Then we will meet. Allah Hafiz.
So guys, thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.